Topic is types of solutions in solutions. In that, the first one, based on the physical state of solute and solvent. So we know the physical state of solute and solvent is in the form of solid, liquid and gas. And we all know the binary solution contains two substances. One it is solute and another one is solvent. So this binary solution will also exist in these state, that is liquid, solid and gas. But the solvent constitute, so in binary solution, the solvent constitute the major part, okay. So the major part of the solution, it is made up of solvent, okay. So its physical state in primary factor which determine the characteristics of the solution. So the physical state, that is the prime factor that determines the state, that is characteristic of the solution. So we will see, that is solid solution. Solid. You can see the solid means the copper is dissolved in gold. That is an alloy. So without the copper, you cannot able to make an ornament in the gold. So solid is also that is solid is copper. Copper is also solid and gold is also solid. So but they are mixing. That is copper in little amount. So copper here it is acting as a solute and gold is solvent. Now you understand. So the next one is liquid solid. Mercury with sodium. So amalgam. So mercury with sodium amalgam, it forms liquid solution. Solid liquid. Sodium chloride dissolves in water. So solid is sodium chloride and liquid is water. That is nothing but the salt solution. Liquid. Ethyl alcohol dissolves in water. So the alcohol dissolves in water. Okay. Gas liquid. So carbon dioxide dissolved in water, that is in soda water. So gaseous solutions. Liquid gas, that is liquid is solute and solvent is gas, that is water vapor in air forms the cloud. Gas. Mixture of helium oxygen gases. So from this topic they can ask for 1 mark or 5, that is 4 mark also, or 2 mark. Based on the type of solvent. So based on the type of solvent, again the solution is divided into two types, and you all know the water is the universal solvent and most of the substance will dissolve in water and some substances won't dissolve in water. So based on that, it is divided into two types, aqueous solution, non-aqueous solution. Aqueous solution means the solution, here the solution, that is the water acts as the solvent. So the water acts as the solvent. Example, common salt in water, sugar in water and copper sulfate in water. So if any substance was dissolved in water, then that solution is called aqueous solution. Non-aqueous solution. So instead of water, so here they won't use the water. Instead of that, they use any other liquids like alcohols, benzene, ether, carbon disulfide, acetone. So these and all non-aqueous solvents because they don't use water. Okay. So examples for non-aqueous solution is sulfur dissolved in carbon disulfide, iodine dissolved in carbon tetrachloride. Here they had given a picture in the first one. The sulfur is dissolved in carbon disulfide. That is carbon disulfide. You can see that is the dissolution process takes place in it. But the same thing, that is the sulfur is not, that is the sulfur is added in water but it doesn't dissolve. Okay. That means some of the substance won't dissolve in water. Such type of solution, that is here the water is not the solvent. Okay. So such type it is called as non-aqueous solution. Based on the amount of solute. Okay. How much solute you are taking that is at the given solvent. Okay. Based on that They can give any condition like temperature, pressure and volume. So based on that, it was divided into saturated solution, unsaturated solution and supersaturated solution. Saturated solution. A solution in which no more solute can be dissolved in a defined amount of the solvent at a given temperature is called saturated solution. So, no more solute will be dissolved in a solvent at a given temperature. So, then that solution is called saturated solution. Example, 36 grams of sodium chloride in 100 grams of water at 25 degrees Celsius forms saturated solution. So by adding further you adding this solution becomes saturated. Further you added some more sodium chloride, it won't dissolve. So that means that solution is saturated. Unsaturated. Unsaturated means less, that is a unsaturated solution means that contains less solute in saturated solution at a given temperature. So normally here they had given 36 grams. So but here what they are taking 10 grams or 20 grams or 30 grams. So that means less amount of solute is taken in the solution, in the saturated solution at a given temperature. That means it won't be saturated. So such type of solution is called unsaturated. Example, 10 grams or 20 grams or 30 grams of sodium chloride in 100 grams of water at 25 degrees Celsius forms an unsaturated solution. Supersaturated solution. Supersaturated solution means after saturation also, if you add some solute at a given temperature, then that particulate is called as supersaturated solution. Okay, example, 40 grams of sodium chloride in 100 grams of water at 25 degrees Celsius form supersaturated, because 36 grams it is the saturated solution, that is 36 grams of sodium chloride in 100 grams of water at 25 degrees Celsius forms saturated solution. So now you are adding extra 4 grams in it. So that means what happened, that solution is supersaturated. So this state can be achieved by altering any condition. You can use temperature or pressure, you can able to alter this supersaturated condition, that is solution. So the supersaturated solution are unstable. So they won't be stable, they will changing by giving a temperature or pressure, or okay. So or unstable, and the solute is reappearing as crystals. So the solution will reappear as crystals when the solution is disturbed, when the solution is disturbed. So if the solution is disturbed, that is supersaturated is unstable and it reappear as crystals, when means the solution is disturbed, that time it will become crystals. Okay. Concentration and dilute solution. So for example, so based on that is unsaturated solution, they are giving this concentrated and dilute solutions. Concentrated means if you are that is the best example I am giving here is a lemon juice. You are taking the lemon fruit and you are cutting it and you are juicing, that is from that you are making the juice without adding water in it. You can able to drink it? No. It is highly sour taste. You cannot able to drink it because it contains citric acid. Okay, that is the concentrated. So in that you pour little, that is you are taking 2 ml of that is you are taking 5 ml of lemon juice and 1 ml or 2 ml of water. So the water, and you are making it as a juice. It will the taste, that is the content of the lemon juice will be concentrated. So that means that is higher amount of solute per given amount of the solvent is said to be concentrated solution. So 100 ml of the solution you are taking, in that 80 ml is the acid, citric acid, citric acid, and 20 ml of water means it is a concentrated solution. Dilute solution means you are taking the same lemon juice and you are taking in 1 tumbler. So half of, that is, you are taking 2 ml of lemon juice. Okay, I will tell like this. You are taking 10 ml of lemon juice and 90 ml of water and pouring it in the lemon juice. Now the lemon juice is diluted. That is, that solution is called dilute solution. Okay, that is, higher amount of solute in given amount of solvent is said to be concentrated, and lower amount of solute and higher amount of solvent, it is said to be dilute solution. Okay, so for example, if you are taking a coffee, you can put it strong, so without adding sugar, the strong flavor, the strong, adding some more amount of coffee powder in it, instead of not adding the sugar in it, so it gives a strong taste. Okay, strong taste. If you add sugar and the ingredients like water, that is the milk in it, in a correct proportion, you will get a dilute solution. But if you need a strong coffee, then it is called as a concentrated solution. Now you understand now this concentrated and dilute solutions. So here you can see this is a dilute solution. In dilute solution, the solute is lesser and the solvent is more. But in concentrated, the solute particles are more and solvent is lesser. Okay. Hope you understand the topic. If you have any doubts, post your doubts in the comment box. If you want to watch the video in Tamil, I had given the link in the description box. You can go and watch it. Give a thumbs up, share and subscribe to Science Easy Tech channel.